Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a shoe store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the store. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What color sneakers does Ken buy? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. Let's go inside the shoe store.
It looks big. So many shoes here.
My old sneakers are too old now. Look at them.
Oh, there is a hole on the side. You really need a new pair.
I know. I walk a lot, so they get old fast.
That is true. You walk to work every day.
Yes, I want to buy one pair fast and go home.
Wait, it is only morning now. Shoes are better in the afternoon.
In the afternoon? Why is that?
I will tell you the reason later. Let's look around first.
There are so many kinds. Running, walking, everyday shoes.
What do you need them for mostly?
For work and for walking. Nothing special.
Then everyday sneakers are best, soft and light.
These white ones feel light. I like that.
Light shoes are good for long days.
My old shoes slip on wet roads. The bottom is too smooth now.
That is not safe. New shoes hold the ground better.
I never thought about the bottom of the shoe.
The bottom matters a lot. It keeps you safe.
Good to know. Press this one with your hand.
Oh, it is soft. Soft shoes feel better when you walk.
My feet will be happy then. So, what size am I?
I am not sure. The staff can measure your feet here.
They measure my feet? I thought I could just say my size.
It is not that simple. Size and fit are different things.
Fit? If it is my size, it fits, no?
Not always. A shoe can be your size but still feel bad.
Really? I did not know that.
And good shoes can change your day. Good shoes, good feeling.
That is true. I feel tired in bad shoes.
Take your time. A good pair of shoes is important.
You are right. Should I get white or black? White can get dirty.
True, but you can clean white shoes easily.
Good point. Let me ask a staff member. There is one over there.
Go ahead. I will look at this side.
Hi there. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I like these white sneakers.
Good choice. They are very popular. What is your size?
I am not sure. Can you measure my feet?
Of course. Please sit down and take off your shoes.
Okay, here you go.
Do you wear thick socks or thin socks?
Usually thin socks. Why do you ask?
Socks change the fit a little. Thick socks need more room.
I did not think about socks.
I will measure both feet. Your 2 feet may not be the same size.
Both feet? They can be different?
Yes, many people have 1 foot a little bigger.
I did not know feet could be different sizes.
They often are. We choose the size for the bigger foot.
Why the bigger foot?
If the big foot fits, both feet are happy.
That makes sense. A small shoe would hurt one foot.
That is right. So your size today is a 9.
A 9? In Japan, my size is a different number.
Yes, that is normal. Many countries use different numbers.
Really? The same shoe has different numbers?
That's right. Here, your US size is 9. In the UK, it is 8. In Europe, about 42.
Wow, same feet, 3 numbers. That is hard to follow.
Sizes can even change by brand, so we never trust only the number.
So the number is just a start.
Yes, your feet give the right answer. We always try the shoes on.
That makes sense. Now I understand my old mistake.
What happened?
Last year I was in another country for work. I saw nice shoes in a shop.
And you bought them quickly?
Yes, I only looked at the number. They were too small.
So you could not wear them.
No, I paid for shoes I could not wear.
That happens a lot. I did not try them on. That was my mistake too once.
So now I always try first. No more guessing.
That is the best way. Let me bring your size in white.
Thank you. Can I try them on here?
Yes, please sit down. I will be right back.
So, did they measure your feet?
Yes, I am a 9 here, and my feet are not the same size.
Oh, that is common. Most people are a little like that.
The white pair is coming now. Let me put them on.
How do they feel?
A little tight. My toes feel close.
Stand up and walk a little.
Okay. Yeah, they feel tight when I walk.
Then they are too small for you. Try your toes first.
What about my toes? Should they move?
Yes, your toes need a little room to move.
Like this? I can hardly move them.
That is too tight. Toes that cannot move will hurt later.
That is an easy way to check. I will remember it.
And remember, it is only morning now.
What does morning have to do with it?
Your feet get a little bigger during the day.
My feet get bigger? Every day?
Yes, after you sleep, your feet are smaller. By evening, they are bigger.
And walking makes them bigger.
Right, so a tight shoe now will feel worse tonight.
So I should not buy these tight ones.
Right, try a bigger size and shop later in the day.
Now I understand why you said the afternoon.
So morning feet can trick you.
Good thing I have a smart friend.
Let me get you a half size up.
Thanks, I will wait right here.
Here, try these. They are 1/2 size up.
Okay. Oh, these feel better.
Walk again. Do they slip off your heel?
No, they stay on well. My toes have room too.
So how is the fit now?
Much better. These are really comfortable.
See? Size and fit are not the same.
I can walk all day in these.
That is exactly what you want in a shoe.
My old shoes never felt this good.
New shoes that fit are the best feeling.
I am glad you told me to wait and try.
Always try before you buy. That is the rule.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is size, meaning how big or small something is. For example, what size are your shoes? The second word is fit, meaning to be the right size for you. For example, these shoes fit me well. The third word is pair, meaning 2 things that go together. For example, I need a new pair of shoes. The fourth word is tight, meaning too small and close to your body. For example, these shoes feel too tight. The fifth word is comfortable, meaning soft and nice to wear. For example, these shoes are very comfortable. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the shoe store.
Hello. Are you looking for something?
Yes, I want a pair for myself. These look nice.
Nice choice. What size are you?
I am a 7 here, but I have a small problem.
Tell me, what is it?
The length is fine, but the side feels tight. My foot feels pushed.
Ah, I understand. The length is good, but the width is too small.
Width? Shoes have a width size?
Yes, a shoe has length and width. They are two different things.
I always thought size was just the length.
Many people think that, but feet are not all the same shape.
So, some feet are wide and some are narrow?
Exactly. We have narrow, medium, and wide.
How do I know my width?
We can measure it. Most people never check.
I never have. I only looked at the length.
That is very common. Width is the hidden part of size.
Why do some shoes feel okay then?
Some brands make wider shoes. Some make narrow ones.
So the same size feels different in each brand?
Yes, that is why you always try them on.
I did not know shoes were so interesting.
Shoes are simple once you know length and width.
Length and width. I will remember both.
Do your shoes often feel tight on the sides?
Yes, they always feel tight there.
Then your feet may be a little wide.
So can I try a wide pair?
Of course. A wide shoe is not bigger, it is just wider.
So the length stays the same?
Yes, same length, more room on the sides. One moment.
Thank you. I hope it helps.
Here you are. Try the wide pair.
Okay. Oh, this is much better. No more pushing.
The length is the same, but the width fits now.
My feet feel free. This is much better.
Now you know your width. I will take these for you.
Thank you. Now I know about width.
Come back anytime. We are happy to help.
Lily, look, I have 2 pairs here.
2? I thought you liked the white ones.
I do, but the black ones look really nice.
How do the black ones feel?
A little tight, but maybe they will stretch.
Some shoes stretch a little, but not all of them.
See? So the black ones are okay, right?
Wait, these feel too tight. That is not okay.
Maybe just a bit.
How much does a shoe stretch, really?
I am not sure. A lot?
No, maybe a tiny bit, never a full size.
So I cannot buy small and wait?
No, that is a common mistake. They will still hurt later.
But the black ones look so good.
Looks are nice, but you walk a lot every day.
That is true. You wear shoes for walking, not for looking.
Exactly. Feeling comfortable is more important.
The black ones are a little cheaper too.
Cheaper is nice, but do not buy shoes that hurt.
That is a good point.
Sore feet can make your whole day bad.
I do not want sore feet at work.
Then choose with your feet, not with your eyes.
Good idea. How do the white ones feel again?
Take your time.
The white ones are so comfortable. My feet feel free.
Then the answer is easy.
You are right. Nice shoes that hurt are not good.
A comfortable care will make every day better.
My feet will thank me every day.
That is the best reason to choose well.
I almost chose the good-looking ones by mistake.
Many people do, then their feet hurt all day.
Not me, not today. I will take the white ones.
Good choice. White looks good with many clothes.
True, and they feel great. My tired feet say thank you.
Your feet are smart today.
They had a good teacher.
I just love good shoes.
Me too now. Let me go pay for the white pair.
I will come too. I have my wide shoes. Let's pay together.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, I will take these white sneakers.
Great. The white pair, size 9.5. Good choice.
My friend found a pair too, the wide ones.
Perfect. Let me take your payment.
Sure. Here is my card.
Thank you. Please keep your box and your receipt.
Why the box and the receipt?
If the shoes do not fit at home, you can bring them back.
Oh, good. How many days do I have?
In our store, 2 weeks. Just bring the box and the receipt.
That is helpful. But I think these are perfect.
They look great on you. Do you need socks today?
No, thank you. I have many at home.
Then you are all set. Just the shoes today.
Should I change the laces sometimes?
Yes, new laces make old shoes look new.
Nice tip. And how do I keep white shoes clean?
Clean them with a soft cloth. A little water is fine.
Not a lot of water.
No, do not put them in water. Just wipe them gently.
Got it. I will keep them clean.
Clean shoes also feel more comfortable.
Really? Why is that?
Dirt makes the inside hard. Clean shoes stay soft.
That is good to know.
They will last a long time then.
I hope so. They feel made for me.
Good shoes feel like that. Take care of them.
I will. And one more thing. Next time I will come in the afternoon.
Oh, you know that tip too. Feet get bigger during the day.
My friend taught me that one.
A good friend and a good shopper.
I am lucky to have her.
You picked everything well today. Here's your bag.
Thank you for all your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your new shoes.
I love them already. Have a great day.
You too. Come again soon.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What color sneakers does Ken buy? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.